Hey everybody, welcome to the Adventure Jeff 269 channel. I'm out here at Kalkaska with some friends, and this trail just gets better every time I ride it. It's so big that I end up riding a different segment every time, so it's basically all still new to me. Following my friend Jared here, we pretty much have matching bikes. I'm on a YZ250X, he's on a YZ250, and basically the same. If you guys noticed that they're twin YZs there, I guess. And let's just get to the good stuff, and by that I mean me eating it. So if you guys don't know, I have rough luck at Kalkaska. I sort of didn't crash for a while and then restarted a streak at Kalkaska last year. I looped a brand new 2021 YZ250X, and since then, and now. And I'd like to go ahead and give a shout out to my handguards, Enduro Engineering, local Michigan company. You can pick them up. I blast them all the time, and no problems. So definitely recommend. So we got a couple pain grunts here, and then I'll be on my way. That one hurt pretty good. Busted my knee on the back of the handguard or something. I'm not quite sure. And then I got lost, so I had to wait for Jared and our other buddy to show up. They frequent this trail quite a bit, so need to keep up with them, I guess, right?
Thought, but I thought they said something about
right back to full speed. We go.
No.
This is another buddy of mine here. His name's Jeff also, and he introduced me to the Kalkaska trail system. It's been great. Lots of trails. This whole group's been super nice. And like I said, Kalkaska has really grown on me. Today it was really flowy. It was a little dusty in the AM, but it rained in the afternoon and really calmed the dust down. As you can see, the terrain varies quite a bit here at Kalkaska, so it makes for really great distractions while you guys are out here riding. This here is Scotty, and he's pretty fast. I was trying to keep up with him as best I could, and he just slowly pulls away on that KTM there. This is probably some of the fastest riding that I have done personally. I was pumped. I was really feeling the bike. We had been riding for quite a bit that day at this time. The dirt turned to chocolate cake after that rain. I felt really comfortable and in control. I had some good zen time on the YZ. But yeah, he just slowly pulls away. He was apparently in the zone as well. Alright, I'm going to let this segment play out, let you guys enjoy the flow of the YZ on the Kalkaska trail system. I really enjoyed this ride, so I hope you guys do too. If you do, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hope to see you guys on a ride soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.